May 2004, time zone 1. You need a calculator for this. When the expression 2 plus ax bracket raised to 10 is expanded, the coefficient of the term in x raised to 3 is 414720. Find the value of a, that means this x coefficient. Whether it could be positive or negative, we have to find out that. Now you can see there is a raised to power of n. Raised to power n, you can see now there is a raised to power n is 10. 10 means what? Total 11 terms. And I don't need all expansion. I need only one term which contain x cube. So there is no point of expanding all 11 terms and finding one term and then equating. It is a time consuming process. So use the term formula in the binomial expansion. You can use this one or you can use this one. What is the first formula or second formula? NCR, n means what? Total raised to power n. Out of that you need to choose that term which has this x raised to 3, that is r, times when your first term, that is a, will get n minus 1, n minus r, that means this minus this. And your second term, that is b, that means ax raised to get this r. Or you can use NCR, first term will get this power, that is r, then b will get n minus r. Remember a times b, there is a multiplication of NCR, a and b, multiplication in all cases. If a is getting the full power of this r, b will get n minus r. If b is getting full power of this r, then a is getting n minus r. A power and b power always add up to the total power. You can see n minus r plus r is n, or r plus n minus r, still it is n. So first write down what is your a, b and n. Your a is 2, your b is ax, and your n is 10. So n is 10, a is 2, b is ax. I'm substituting 10, n as 10. Forget about this 3 is there or not. Then I will write down 2, which is my a. Then I will write down b, that is my ax. So use a bracket. If you don't use a bracket, then you will go wrong in that case. Now I will start finding my r. I'm using this formula. I'm start finding r by using this, because I know my one term contains x, and that raised to power of x is 1. You can see here, nothing is, that means 1. And I want x raised to 3. X raised to 1 becomes x raised to 3. You know this rule. If you have x raised to m, raised to power is n, is basically x raised to m times n. So here it is a 1. I want 3. 3 will get only when you multiply 1 by 3. So if your b is having a raised to power 3, a will be having 10 minus 3, which is 7, because this b raised to power I am writing here. So 10 minus 3 goes over the 4 for first term. 10C3, use your calculator. By using that calculator NCR way, you will get 120. 2 raised to 7 is 128. Ax cube raised to 3, which is not ax cube, is a raised to 3 as well as x raised to 1 raised to 3. A raised to 3 is a cube, x raised to 1 raised to 3 is x cube. Now simplify. 120 times 128, 15360 a cube. This is the coefficient of x raised to 3. Coefficient means a number associated with that. When I say coefficient of x cube, it is not only a number, it is a constant also. Here it is unknown constant is a cube. So 15360 a cube. And that coefficient is given as, the coefficient of the term in x cube is given as 414720. So I am writing 15360 a cube is equal to 414720. I want to find out a cube. Isolate a cube by dividing both sides by 15360. So 414720 divided by 15360, you will get on a calculator 27. A cube is 27, so a is equal to cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. So when a is 3, the coefficient of x cube is 414720 in the expansion of this. Thank you.